Hi, my name is Bill McQuillan. I'm the construction manager for America's Home Place here in Athens, Georgia. And we're inside the Hill 5. This house has got 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and we're at the stage right now where we've just primed the ceilings and walls. We're installing the doors and window casings, and very soon we'll be installing the baseboards and finishing out the trim. The drywaller will come back and he'll touch up the drywall one more time and sand it down smooth. After that, the painter will come back in, put his final coats of paint on, we'll be ready for cabinetry. And our customer has decided to have their fireplace decorated with a wood and marble mantel. We have other options available. We have full stone, half stone, corbelled stone mantles. We can accommodate a variety of different choices that you'd like to make, but in particular, this customer has decided to go with a natural marble and a painted wood face. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and like and subscribe.